Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now I made download drive from Lexmark. If you for serial, you tap here for the drive for download. This one insert the official website for you. I'm like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website, you click here. This one website loading and this here for the landing page. You scroll on looking for the title of the reference. Click here for the title. This here for the title of driver and endeavor. Click here. This one this here for service model print and this here for the texture automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10 and this here for driver download recommendation for me. And if you need to change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for Linux, Windows for Mac. I'm sure for Mac, and this here for Mac version. You click here, and this here for not update for Mac version and new version for Mac, make sure life and Mac 11. This here for all operating system for Mac version. And I'm sure for the Linux and this here for the new version. You click here. This here for the 22, 20, 20, 21, 22 not support your Debian, no support for Fedora new version. For Fedora version 27, 28, 29, and this support 20, 20. This is for not the update for Fedora version or the Linux version. I'm sure I need to driver for Windows. Sure for Windows and this here for Windows version. You click here, and this here for the new version for Windows, and this here for Windows 11 driver download, and this here for Windows Windows 10 driver download, Windows 7 driver download, Windows 8 driver download, Windows 8.1 driver download, and this here for Windows 7 driver download. And this video I'm going to refer for the new version for Windows 11. This here for Windows 11, you click here, looking that release, and this here for a new that release support your Windows 11, and this here for the language English one. And I have recommendation for you to download for the package, and this one, and this here for universal print driver installation package and recommendation for you. Download here, click here for you click here for start download. Here for you driver. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put keyboard USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB keyboard printer and press what finish driver download. If you finish the download, you double click here or you click here. You click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the like automatic your USB keyboard printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link in the description. If you do, thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.